In this video I'm going to make my next robot. This one's going to be called RS Bravo, and this one's going to focus more on automation and object avoidance. Now when I say object avoidance, I mean like the general object avoidance. So this one is not precise by any stretch of the imagination. This one, quite dumb. Kind of reminds me of my cat. It has character about it. So yeah, it's just dumb, mate. Stupidity aside, it's actually the most intelligent robot I've made so far, in the sense that it takes input data and then decides what to do with it, whereas with the mirror sleeve it's just copying my arm, or with RS Alpha I just tell it to walk and it walks. So ironically it's actually the most intelligent robot so far. Now I actually started this build back in December when I was trying to force out ideas and I was just really unenthused with the project. I made some mistakes. I made like 1.5 videos on it, but I'm just going to go over the key points now to save time.
Alright, well basically the video started off with me explaining what it was, which is basically a small robotic buggy with 4 wheels controlled by, I think I said 2 sensors at the beginning of it, but I ended up adding 3.
It is going to consist of these.
Yeah, I never ended up using these, and the rest of the video is just basically me waffling and troubleshooting about why this didn't work, because I think I ended up blowing the first motor controllers because the motors were drawing too much current, and then ended up finding the right motor controllers to use for basically any motor with an Arduino, which I found out. Now, you know, you can't forget the time lapses, you know, just standard SB Robotics video, nothing special, and the same is basically said for the second video, so there's really nothing special, not really missing much. Oh, so this is totally irrelevant, but I originally planned to release the first video and then the second video, and then I made a pretty cool transition, in my opinion. Quite proud of it. It's sad, I know, and yeah, here it is. Not that you asked, but I'm going to show you anyway.
Before. Anyway, now on with your regularly scheduled programming. Oh, and would you look at that, I ended up using the transition anyway. Kill me. Yeah, this brings us to present day, and I'll show you. So this is RS... Oh, it's a wasp. How are you even in here, you piece of shit? I hate wasps so much. Anyway, so this is RS Bravo in the flesh, or in the wood. But yeah, so you've got the 3 ultrasonic sensors at the front. You've got a massive battery pack that looks like a bomb, so it's not, but it's not. And then it's all powered by an Arduino Mega, along with 2 of the before mentioned motor controllers controlling 4 motors. So basically what happens is, as it moves, these 3 obviously send out sound, listen for the echo and time it. That's how ultrasonic sensors work. Now, depending on which one has the shortest return time, that dictates which direction it moves. So this was explained in the first video, but because I skipped over that, I'm going to explain it again, just cause I care about your knowledge. Right, I need to make sure I get right and left right. So let's just say the rightmost sensor is got a shorter return time than these 2. Now the way the code works, it compares the right to the center. So if the right is shorter than the center value, then it makes the whole buggy move to the left to move out of the way, and it's the exact same for this side. So when I coded it, the readings were very sporadic, and I was getting minus readings as well, so apparently the sensors can go back in time, which is good to know. God, I am funny. So I've done a few test videos, and I'm just gonna let you see what happened. Wait. Oh, come on, come on. Come on, there's got to be at least a gap. I mean, it's...
It did move itself away there.
Okay, so cable diffusion, it circles until it finds an opening. It's self-aware, it doesn't want to die. Oh, come on, please hit the camera. Oh, got through the thing.
So I think the reason it keeps on headbutting the couch is because when it sends out the ultrasonic wave, as in the sound, I think it reverberates underneath the couch and it's getting absorbed by the carpet and the bottom of the couch. Now the next thing that happens I actually find quite interesting. So obviously when it goes near my cat's bed, the actual fabric, the fluffy nature of the bed must absorb the sound that's getting transmitted to it, and the echo reading must be getting not clear, if at all, received. Now when it goes near poles as well, I think the sound might refract around the poles, again hindering the echo value receiving capabilities.
Now, although those videos, the robot may seem like it's aimlessly headbutting stuff, what I see is cognition. It looks like it's thinking, and in my eyes this is very much a step forward. So this is RS Bravo. The next robot will be RS Charlie, which will be similar in the sense that its movement mechanism will be exactly the same, except the motors will be stronger and it will have suspension, so that it can traverse smoothly and easier with the stronger motors. So I'm not too sure about the specifics with RS Charlie yet, but that will be the next, if not a video soon. Depends when I actually get it done. So yeah, thank you for watching. I don't even know if you've made it till this point, because at this point it's like 8 minutes long or something along those lines. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.